The main reason really, I've always been a football fan. I used to play football up to the age of about 19, 20. I really enjoy it. I've like a really great intrinsic feeling. I had a couple of injuries then and I wanted to give something back to the game. I coach as well, but then refereeing was another way that I could get involved in local football and women's football really, and hope develop it for the future.
3 or 4 years ago, the number of female referees in Wales you could count on less than one hand. But we put a recruitment programme in, and now we've got about 15 registered female referees, about a dozen of which are now performing regularly on the Welsh Women's Premier League, which obviously is good for the image of the league to have more females. The FAW are investing a lot of money in the recruitment of female referees, and hopefully in the years ahead we will see the fruits of that.
And the main thing I enjoy really, as being a football fan myself, is I find it's the best seat really in the stadium to be able to be involved with the action. I also enjoy obviously travelling up and down the country, being able to, like I said earlier, help and develop women's football as well.
We did for the first time this year have a conference for the female referees in Wales, which was purely for female referees, because we were pointing out to them the avenues now for international football for ladies is through the Welsh Women's Premier League.
Obviously it being right on our doorstep, and all the officials that did referee at the games were female as well, and from all different countries. There we got invited along and went to the games and met the observers and even had the chance to train with them. So that was brilliant as well, a great experience for us to feed back to our local societies and local leagues as well. So yeah, I think it was a brilliant set at the bar, if you like, where you could be potentially in 4 or 5 years' time.
If they go onto the FAW website, all my contact details are on there. We can run courses specifically for lady referees if necessary. So therefore, by going through that avenue, hopefully we can obtain our objective of getting a lady representation on the Women's International list by 2016 at the latest.